Welcome back. So people run, come there quick and fast. Let me chat, let me talk about the Galangins. We don't want all the people them to hear. We don't want the Planketeers and the riots them for hear we business. Cause everything then we do then copy we. We are the first to do everything everything we do then follow and go on like them. Invent things. We invent everything first around here on the media street, yeah? So, we want to ask which one I know let the puss out of the bag. Yeah, because I'm very annoyed. Because my business gone abroad, out the door, gone abroad. Yeah, because me say me having me event on the on the 12th, and then lo and behold, them a follow with them. I have it on the 13th. Yeah, them a follow with. So them a have meet and greet on the 13th. And for it, every year we do it. We've been doing it for years. Yeah, and me don't know if me did tell you the other day. Me did come out and tell you, say, the man went go down at the shop and taste the pudding. It man but taste the pudding and say nice. And then say a Grams Morgan, me tell you, say I don't look alike. I know the real thing. I know the real Grams Morgan. Because the real Grams Morgan come into our event, they come every year. Yeah? And if we event at the 13th, and if we event at the 12th and for them at the 13th, there's no way because they might come at the horse race too, because we'll do horse race too after. The following day, the I don't know if you know about the Royal Ascot, if you never hear about that thing there yet. That is on and the following day. So, all the members, them and everybody are going to go and, upper dignitaries. Upper dignitaries are going to be a few event, I don't know, blah thing we do over here. Yeah. And through that, that's why I not really tell people about it, because we know why. Them follow we, because them follow everything we do. So me not tell you, me not say too much, because people them over here, them have link with people and then they talk with business a road. So, me not know, me tell you no say, who no know, members know say, me part of the royal family. I don't know, keep asking me when we gonna have the event, but me go tell you no. We having it at the palace. At the palace we have it. So, no. And Meghan and Harry will be there. Yeah, Harry and Meghan will be there. Yeah. So, we all the artists them always come. Yeah, because this is the motherland, I don't know if you know. Members say this is the motherland. And because of the palace, we can get anybody to come. Them always come. So if we think turn up, as usual, anything we do over here turn up. People just follow away. And that makes, if anybody see Tommy Fear and Chris and Kazim, I feel them are going to America. Them are going to America to the lady one, but them are going to miss out. Them are going to miss out because me hear the lady say Tommy Fear say she like the Grams man. And him now, she now go see the real Grams because he must say Grams Morgan I go fear her. But I know the real one, and me say I must have one fake one. They're not the real one. No, sir. Can't the real one, because a real one we have every year. So, me not feel so. Yeah, it's a real one. So, that's why me say that. You know the real one when look like we see him for years. He been coming to few events. Yeah, but me not tell you one go be there at the moment. We're keeping something undercover, under wrap for now. Make them go ahead with them thing.